What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over a day trading recap. Nice little green day. Check it out. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and jump into this recap here. BLPH has gone insane. This was the leading small cap I was watching this morning, and right out of the gates, it just decided to take a fade, like a real nasty fade. But it hit a level here at this 550 area, and just kind of found its way up higher to VWAP, and then once it broke VWAP, it just didn't look back, guys. I mean, this thing it broke VWAP here in the 620s, and it went as high as $8.16. I tried to take a little trade on it here out of the halt, just 100 shares, looking to see if I can get it back up over $8 and a squeeze to 9. Didn't happen, got stopped out, and only had 100 shares, so I lost like $10 on it, which is not a big deal because I'm still up well over $200 on the day with my other trade, which we're going to go over. But I'm going to definitely keep BLPH on watch here, because if BLPH, even if it decides to pull itself back in and start trading between the 650 and the $7, 7.30 area, like in that range, all throughout the rest of the morning, or better yet, throughout the rest of lunch, we might get ourselves an afternoon squeeze out of BLPH. So definitely going to keep this on watch. 2 million shares in the float, 2.26 million. So this thing can move, and it can move real fast, especially if volume pours into it. The 200-day moving average is at $7.68. Let me bring you the daily here so you can see some levels. 768 is the 200-day. Break over that. I was expecting this $9 area right here, these previous tops, maybe this one over here, and kind of like this bounce area. So I'd expect that to be resistance. So that was my target. That's why I entered. I entered at 793, and I ended up getting stopped out at 782. But my target was $9. So could have made another $100 there. Would have made a triple on the day had that happened. But it didn't work out that way. But yeah, that was the leading small cap. Honestly, there was no other small caps I had any major interest in. GNPX was also on my list, but this was like a one and done type move. It just made a new high up here and then just faded all the way back down. No trades on that for me. This thing, if it ever breaks over this 570s area, we could probably see another squeeze. But until then, we're going to be looking at this. It needs to really break $5, consolidate before we make that move, if it makes it. So you can see my watch list here: SPY, BLPH, Tesla, GMPX, SPCE. Now SPCE has made a real big move today. This thing's a monster. I thought today, maybe towards the end of the day, but I thought today in the morning we'd get a fade finally, but nope. SPCE right up to $35.90. Just non-stop monsterish type move here. That's what it's done. But we're going to go ahead and jump into that live trade. But do me that quick favor before we do. Smash the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel. Comment in the comment section below. Let me know how your week started off. I love starting off the week on a green note. Really puts me in a good mood. So let me know. Drop it in the comment section below. Also remember to hit the notification bell. I did a poll in the community poll yesterday. For those of you that don't know, it's like, like a post within YouTube. So in the community post there, I made a post and I posted asking, what do you want my next non-recap video to be? Could be how to get out debt, how to house hack, or how to trade low float stocks. So far, how to trade low float stocks is winning the pack. So make sure you check that out and cast your vote. Now let's go ahead and get into this live trade right now. So here's my live trade. Let me show you my orders. Well, you know what? Let me show you the live trade first. So my live trade is here, Tesla. Tesla, out of the open, it just pushed, like out of nowhere. It just went from it gapped up huge, $40 a share, and then it pushed on a huge volume, and then it took it all right back. Broke under VWAP and looked like it was going to be a short. Nope, just another short trap by good old Tesla. Broke right above VWAP, and I was not convinced I was not convinced on this VWAP break yet. I really wasn't, because I was short biased on Tesla this morning. I really thought we were going to get, a short and fade this gap, but no, we didn't. It started to hold VWAP. And right here in this 850 pivot area, I said, okay, it's time to get in here and see if we're going to make a new high. So I just got in one contract, okay, one call contract, February 21 expiration date, which is the nearest expiration date available. I'm pretty sure it was 855 strike. Okay, I got into that just underneath. So I'm just out of the money on that strike right there. And I got in at $27.57. You see the bid is $27.55. The ask is $28.50. And I'm looking to see if we can get this up here and test the high of day, which is the time was 8:58, and maybe push up to a new high. We have increasing volume, a lot of increasing volume right here. That's big volume pouring into Tesla above this 850 area. And I'm looking to see if we can break that 860. Okay, so we'll click play here and fast forward just a little bit. I start to get ready some orders there to sell on the ask. I put $29, but I quickly changed that to 30 bucks. So we start to see, there we go. I put it in market because I always want to market how, if I'm wrong, if this thing turns against me, I'm going to market out of it. But I'm thinking we're going to continue this push because look at that volume. Look at that volume. 500,000 shares traded above 850. Okay, over 500,000 shares traded above 850. So I'm really confident we're going to hold that level. Okay, and squeeze up to new highs. And we're getting this 90 MA crossing over VWAP. There's a lot to like here. We're breaking over a little key area. Volume is huge on that break and hold. And we're getting the 90 MA VWAP cross happening. Okay, so now you see here, I'm in 27.57. We're popping off at 29.60s. And we're getting closer and closer to the high of day. The high of day is 8.58. We're at 8.56.51. Let's click play again. And we creep up and we keep creeping up. And right there, boom, we put a new high in. Okay, we put a new high in. And now we're getting these contracts popping off at $30.65. I put out a limit order between the bid and the ask just to sell at $30 as soon as we make that new high. Okay, because 860 is like a strong resistance point there for Tesla. Boom, those are exited right there, 860. I'm sorry, at $30. See, executed at $30. From 27.57. So that's a real nice win right there, up over $240 on the day at that point. And the volume is still increasing nicely, but then we tap that and we start to take it back. And let's go ahead and take a peek at Tesla right now and see where it's at. So after we made that new high, we pulled it all the way back in, and so far we've just been holding above VWAP. So I'll definitely continue to keep this on watch. The contracts I was in, you see them here, 855 calls. Those are going off at $22 now. So really happy I sold them at 30 bucks. Let's take a look now at, let me show you my orders. Whoops. So here are my orders: in 27.56, out $30. BLPH in 793, out 782. I only had 100 shares. I'll show you that live trade now. I think I recorded it. So that was only like a $10 loss. So I'm still up well into the green on the day, over 230 bucks. Oh no, I didn't record it. I thought I recorded it, but I didn't record it, guys. But yeah, that's it right there. And see here, you can see 100 shares. So only lost 10 bucks there. And then my one contract on Tesla. So I'm up over 230. So well up over a double on the day. And you know, anytime I can hit a double on the day, I am happy. Let's take a look real quick here at BLPH, see where that's at. So that's consolidating. If it holds this halt price in the 740s, we might get that squeeze. You know, that 90 MA is creeping up there to the halt price. So that's real nice action right there. That's it for me today. Let me know how you did. Drop it in the comment section below. Also remember, link in the description section to Webull. If you download the app, fund it with any amount of money, you're going to get 2 free stocks. One of them could be valued up to $1,400. So make sure you use that and take advantage of that, because free stocks equals free money. You get your free stock. If you don't want to keep it, you sell it, and then you go to lunch. It's a no-brainer, guys. Link in the description section below to Webull. Make sure you take advantage of that. Also, if you wanted 15% off on trade ideas, make sure you check out the description section below for 15% off coupon from me to you. And I hope you're having a great day. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, comment in the comment section below, hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I drop the next video, and I'll catch you on the next one.